Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Since you are already keeping much of your vendor and customer information in QuickBooks, it can be useful to note that you can send customized letters to them without having to retype much of the information. QuickBooks Desktop Pro provides you with a variety of different business letters you can edit as needed to suit your particular company. QuickBooks uses the Letters and Envelopes wizard to help you create these letters. To start the Letters and Envelopes wizard, choose Company. Prepare letters with envelopes from the menu bar. Then select the type of letters to create from the side menu of choices that appears. In the Letters and Envelopes wizard that appears, answer the questions posed to you in each screen, and click the Next button to continue through the screens until you are finished. Note that to use this feature, you must have Microsoft Word and either QuickBooks Desktop Pro or Premier.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.